Sleep like a baby, meaning to sleep deeply and soundly. Real conversation example. Oh man, that concert was awesome. I know, right? We have to drive the 3 hours all the way home now, though. Yeah, but once we get home, I'm going to sleep like a baby. Oh, I know, me too.